Hello friend, my name is Sheetal Patel and today in this video I will come up with the Tesla technical analysis for 2nd May and onwards. You can see my software and I can see that definitely Tesla has some short covering interest from last 4 days because reversal. The overall trend, the long-term trend is 169.5. So long-term trend is bearish for Tesla. Midterm sentiment is about neutral because the last closing was 164 and 31 cent, and my mid fair value is 164.7, so it's almost same. The short term fair value is 163.2 and the closing was above that fair value, so definitely short term there is some short covering interest. And I can see there is a 10 days crossover, means there is a short covering interest. So let's check when this short covering interest will disappear and again selling comes. I can see that 170.40. So basically, if Tesla is going to make above 174, more short covering comes. But if it can cross nicely above 170.40, definitely the short covering may follow, right? So as per the 1 day, I can see definitely a bullish zone above 165.70. So definitely there is still short covering will be above 165.70, but I need to see exactly 10 days crossover, which is at 170.40. So if Tesla crosses 170.40, it may see more short covering. um, let's check a second May some technical analysis. The overall trend is right now neutral because my slope is turned zero. Zero means I there is a definitely a long-term bearish sentiment, but I can see the short covering. So I need to see if Tesla is going to break 162.30 and stays below it. If yes, definitely more selling comes. But at this point, above 162.30, I can't turn bearish. Okay, so on 2nd May, my range, my fair value is still 164. So 164 fair value on 1 day basis, that's my fair value. Means at 164, bull or bear, nobody is winner. If bull is trying to move Tesla price above 164, they are going to win. If bear is pushing Tesla price below 164 and moves below 162.30, they are going to win, right? So bull is trying to push Tesla price above 165.70 and bear has to try to push Tesla below 162.30. So there is a sideways range between 162.30 and 165.70, right? So that's a sideways on 2nd May 2023. There is a still 2.7, means that's a sentiment change and zero slope. So closing was 164.31. So at this point I can say Tesla, nobody is winner, no bull, no bear is winner. I can tell the long term sentiment is still weak, bearish. Mid-term is about neutral, short term is little bullish. Okay, so this is how we can say about Tesla on 2nd May and onwards. Definitely Tesla will see more short covering above 170.40 and will see again selling below 162.30, and it will accelerate between below 157.90. So at this point, I would say Tesla between 154.50 and 170.40, no direction because there is a crossover. You can definitely see 10 days crossover. And the lower value is 154.50, higher value is 170.40. So as an option trader, what should I do? I will wait for 170.40 or I will wait below 162.30 to buy put. As a call, I buy above 170.40 or I will wait again 162.30 to buy call, right? Between 162.30, 165.70, it's a sideways. The call or put buyers won't make that much money. We need a trending Tesla stock. to make money as an option buyer, right? So I hope you understand the technical analysis for 2nd May onwards on Tesla. Again, recap: Tesla will see Tesla has seen a 10 days crossover. Long-term indicator are weak, short-term indicator are strong. Current stop is zero, means at 164.31. No one is at this time winner. So more selling comes below 154.50, and more short covering will come above 170.40. Thanks. And if you have enjoyed this technical analysis, please share with your relatives, colleagues, friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.